This video is going to focus on deductive reasoning. And by the end we'll have worked with examples that will help us answer the question, what is deductive reasoning? One thing that we need to discuss and take a look at is the law of detachment. So here's an example. Mary goes to the movies every Friday and Saturday night. Today is Friday. So we want to take that first statement and identify the hypothesis and conclusion. Let's put it in if-then statement form. So if it is Friday or Saturday night, then Mary goes to the movies. So that is a true conditional statement. Given that today is Friday, that meets and satisfies the hypothesis of the conditional statement. So we can safely conclude that Mary will go to the movies tonight. That's an example of the law of detachment. Another law is the law of syllogism. And an example to take a look at this is, if a polygon is regular, then all angles in the interior of the polygon are congruent. That's already a statement in if-then form. A second statement, if a polygon is regular, then all of its sides are congruent. Well, thinking about the law of syllogism, we want to first identify the hypothesis and conclusion of the statements, and then we want to compare whether one statement's conclusion is the other statement's hypothesis. In this case, they share the same hypothesis. So because there is no conclusion that corresponds with the other statement's hypothesis, we cannot apply the law of syllogism. So let's look at a third example. If x squared is greater than 25, then x squared is greater than 20. First conditional statement. The second statement, if x is greater than 5, then x squared is greater than 25. So again, we're going to identify the hypothesis and conclusion and compare to see if we can apply the law of syllogism. This conclusion, x squared is greater than 25, is the same condition or hypothesis in this first statement. So because of that, we will be able to apply the law of syllogism. And we can write a new statement with the hypothesis of the first, if x is greater than 5, and the conclusion of the second, then x squared is greater than 20.